The project that I did now was all about racial socialization, so looking at the ways that parents talk to their children about race. What does race mean to society? How does that play out in discrimination and identity? When I went on the travel learning course, it was my first real academic discussion about race. It was all over the literature that we were reading that then we connected in our travel learning course with real places and real people. And so I was able to sort of pull the narratives that I saw in the literature over into psychology.
Morgan is the prime example of a liberal arts major, of liberal arts graduate, and also of a product of the OWU connection plan, quite frankly, right? Because she had a lot of different interests, and she comes to this English class because she was excited about a travel learning and because it sparked an interest. She takes more classes in different disciplines. She works in these ideas in the humanities about how we tell stories about ourselves and stories about our nationalism, our belonging, and our race and our gender and identity, and then brought all of those to the psychology major that she was interested in for a long time. We read about the different kinds of literature, poetry and fiction and drama from Black British writers, and then we go to these three cities and we see plays, and sometimes we see readings, we see art exhibits, we take walking tours of different ethnic neighborhoods, we read how the slave history of Liverpool is written on its buildings.
I think everyone struggles to put together their identity, but especially in a world where a lot of minority adolescents are being told that they don't matter, that they're inferior. So to me it was really important to say, I've seen how you feel because I've read about it, which is something I can really connect with. So then how do I change that?
So she took that work and applied it to what she does in psychology, and her honors project for psychology is about race and identification, the ways in which adolescents imagine themselves in the world differently because of their race, how it affects their growing up.
I've not just read this, but I've done it, I've gone and seen it, and it just changed my whole worldview. Theory to practice changes everything.